Hello guys, welcome to my class. Today I'm going to show you how to design a RCC beam. The beam may be a tie beam or floor beam. For tie beam, 40 to 60% of the total load is considered, and for roof beam the total load is considered. Okay, so at first open STAAD Pro, go to new project, click space. You can give the easy name and you can choose the location, then go to meter and kilonewton, then next go to add beam, click add beam, then finish. We are going to working on a 4 meter span of the beam so click on here and here, because the distance between this span is 1 meter, and escape from it and close the snap node. You can check the distance by using node to node distance. This is a 4 meter span. Okay, now you have to give it a property. At first go to property page, click on define. You can choose any kind of property. We are going to give it a rectangle property. Okay, long span is YT and small span is ZT. You can give any property. It may 300 millimeter to and 300 millimeter or 250 into 250 millimeter. Okay, we are going to give it a property 300 millimeter. So 0.3 per meter, 0.3 per meter. Then click on add. This is added. Now give the property for beam. Click on beam cursor and select the beam and click on assign to selected beams, then assign, then yes, the property has been given. You can check by 3D view. See, then you have to fix the points. If it is a beam and it has to be fixed on a column, so the two sides of a beam has to be fixed. So you have to fix the two nodes. Go to support page, then click on create. You can see there are many kind of supports. We go to fixed and add. Select the support, select the nodes by node cursor, select the nodes and click on assign to selected nodes and assign, then yes. Okay, now we have to give the loads. Go to load and definition and click on load case detail, click on add. This is primary load. Loading type will be date. You can give a title, date, then add, then close. Click on date load, then add. Click on self weight, add, and member load for uniform load. For roof beam, for the roof beam and for the 250 millimeter wall thickness, the load will be 16.5 kilonewton, and for the tie beam it will be 40 to 60 of the total load. As if the load is 16.5, then the tie beam will be 60%, so 16.5 into 16% is equal to 9.9 km for the tie beam. Okay, we are going to design a roof beam, so we have to give the total load. The total load is 16.5 km minus for upward, is for downward. Add, close. Click on self weight of the beam, then assign to view, because there is only one beam. Assign to view, assign, yes. And if there is many beams, you can choose the particular one by using beam cursor, select the particular beam, select the property and click on assign to selected beams, then assign. Okay, loads are given, then you have to analyze it by going to command analyze, perform analyze, no print, okay, then go to analyze, run analyze, save. It might take a second. If there is no error, see there is no error, so the drawing is perfect. Then go to design, concrete design. You can choose any code. I am going to design by IS456 code. Then go to select parameter, clear, concrete strength and yield strength. Okay, then define the parameters. Cover will be 25 millimeter, so 0.025, add NFC 20,000, or you can give 25,000 or 30,000. If I mean 415, or you can give 500 kilonewton. Close, then click on the clear and click on assign to view, assign yes. Click on FC, assign to view, assign yes. Click on FI main, assign to view, assign yes. Then go to commands. We are going to design a beam, so select design beam and add and close. Click on design beam, select the beam and click on assign to selected beams and assign yes. All the options were given, then you have to analyze it. Command analyze, perform analyze, okay, and go to analyze and analyze. It also make a second. If there is no error, the design is perfect. See, the design is perfect. You can go to the output file, result, concrete design. As you can see, the length is 4 millimeter, size, cover, all the things we input for the design. And here is the reinforcement, top reinforcement, bottom reinforcement, shear reinforcement. All the output files are given. You can check the design, concrete design, by double click on the beam. See, concrete design, top reinforcement is 4 nongs 10 millimeter bar, and bottom reinforcement is 3 nong 12 millimeter bar. You can check the property, geometry, loading, shear, bending and deflection, or you can check the bending moment or deflection by go to post processing. You can check the axial force by pressing Ctrl from your keyboard and scrolling mouse. You can check the deflection, axial force. Okay. You can check the shear force. You can check the shear force outside. You can check the displacement, reaction. Okay. You can check the animation for deflection. Apply OK. The deflection is so small that you can't see properly. Escape from it. Okay. Then go to the report and you can output any report. Okay, node beam. Okay, so this is how you can design a RCC beam or tie beam or roof beam, any kind of beam. Okay, so thank you for watching my video.